Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and this is we are the 24th of April 2025, and this is the Nasdaq pre-market analysis. All right, so this was yesterday's action until this gap over here, gap in price, perfect. So yesterday's action, we were talking about that we would like to see these equal lows come get taken, and this 1 hour fair value gap too to be tapped into. It happened, bounced back, and retraced from the first presented fair value gap that was made in the AM at 9:35. All right. After that, we gapped down is Asia session. We took the previous day's London low and previous day's Asia low. Once we took Asia's low and we bounced off the 25, the quarter, 25% retracement of this previous big day's gap, we started to change market structure right here. We made new highs. We got supported off of this fair value gap over here. We'll zoom in a little bit. Got supported off of that fair value gap right there. Let's do this. There you go. And there was even a second one right here. So we got supported off the first one and did not pass the consequent encroachment of it and went higher above these relative equal highs to take the liquidity right here. Boom. Now it's making its way up to, that was yesterday's buy side, to this buy side right here. This buy side, and maybe even yesterday's first presented fair value gap. So right now we're going to be looking at, for this morning's session, we will be looking at either if we break below this low, we'll start trading bearish. And if we continue to break above this high, we'll see what type of fair value gaps or arrays it leaves behind in its wake. All right, so that's the plan. We are going to remove this market structure. This one too, like that we know what we're doing. We take off yesterday's sell side because it was taken. And now we move to our new targets. It's moving quite fast, to be honest. Today we had, let's go see on investing.com, economic calendar. All right, this morning we had durable goods orders, which is up a lot. Expected was 2.1%. Actual is 9.2%. So it's up a lot. And excluding defense, durables excluding defense month over month from March, the expected was 0.2%, and the actual is 10.4%, with initial jobless claims coming in line at 222,000. So good day for the dollar. Let's see what the dollar is doing. Should be going up. DXY. In the last 5 minutes, stayed flat. All right, nothing for the dollar. Nothing for the dollar. So if we want to respect this market structure, this low cannot be taken. That's going to be the sell side. And a break above this high, we would be looking for these relative equal highs and first presented fair value gap. So it's a double whammy right there. And that should be all for today. So break below these lows over here is going to indicate a shift in market structure and a continuation, break above these highs, our target would be these equal highs right here and this fair value gap. Let's mark it up. Let's mark it up over here. This fair value gap that wasn't traded back to the first presented fair value gap and these relative equal highs right here. And that I like to put it in the relative equal high format, which is a box like this with a delineation. Yeah, right here. Like that, we see them in the box over here. So we have some good targets over here if we break above this high, and if not, we close below this low and we continue lower towards this high and the 50% retracement of Tuesday's new opening day gap. New day opening gap, sorry. And that's it for today. So those are the targets. Up here, close above, bullish, close below, bearish, with targets at the 50% mark. And we'll put this in green, big pixels, like that we see it's a target. Target and target. These are, you can't miss this target. I hope you guys enjoyed this pre-market analysis of the Nasdaq. Like and subscribe, turn the notification on, like that you guys get notified every time I post a video of the analysis, and I start trading live at 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Catch you later, traders.